Feeling overwhelmed by your projects? Juggling multiple tasks and deadlines? Wish there was a simpler, more visual way to stay organized? Meet Trello, your new secret weapon for project management. Trello is a free, flexible, and visual tool that helps you organize anything, from team projects to personal to-do lists. It's built around the concept of boards, lists, and cards. Think of a board as your central project hub. Here, we have a board for website redesign. Inside, we have lists representing different stages of the project. For example, to do, in progress, testing, and completed. And these are cards. Cards represent individual tasks or items. This card, for example, is Design New Homepage Mockup. Clicking on a card opens up a world of possibilities. Here, you can add detailed descriptions, checklists, due dates, attachments, and even assign team members. Let's add a quick description. Create a modern and user-friendly design. Now, let's create a checklist of subtasks: wireframe, mockup design, review. And we can assign this card to Sarah, our talented designer. The magic of Trello is its drag-and-drop interface. As Sarah works on the mockup, she can simply drag the card from To Do to In Progress. This gives everyone on the team a clear view of the project's progress. And when the mockup is ready for review, she can move it to the testing list. It's that simple. Trello is incredibly versatile. You can use it for anything. From managing marketing campaigns with a Kanban board to planning your weekly grocery list. The possibilities are endless. Trello makes collaboration a breeze. Team members can comment on cards, share files, and stay updated on progress. It also integrates with many other popular tools, boosting your productivity even further. And with the Trello mobile app, you can manage your projects from anywhere. So, say goodbye to scattered notes and confusing spreadsheets. Trello brings clarity and organization to your projects, helping you and your team achieve your goals. Ready to get started? Head over to Trello.com and sign up for free today.